couldn't walk in. I was overwhelmed as soon as I saw the first thing. I am so grateful to be able to have this experience. I'm honored that I was chosen to get this amazing space.
We created this beautiful space for Lashana, and I have to tell you, her middle name is Joy, and that is what Lashana exudes, is just pure joy. We fell in love with her warmth and how caring she is and how much she loves teaching. She already had a really beautiful space, but she really wants this room and this makeover to be the place where everyone gathers, everyone comes, everyone feels welcome. So we're super excited to give this to her. And when you look at this room, you'll see that this will be the place in the school that everybody will want to be in.
On the way here, I thought about, the fact that I would want my parents to be here, but they are literally living in this space. Because my mom's favorite color is pink and my dad is orange, and you've melded the two together. And so it literally means the world to me. I cannot wait until my students come in. I can't wait till Friday. We have dance parties. Well, it's usually just me dancing, and they're looking at me like I'm crazy, but hopefully they'll join in. But just to have this classroom environment where my students feel welcome, that they know that they're important and that they know that they matter. And so I'm super excited about it.